Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this erode with raise effect. You can see this sphere is dissolving with the raise. So I create a level. This is my map and I'll just open it and I'll take exponent for quickly and make it gray, I think. So I have this empty map with this gray. Okay, save. And now I will start with a simple sphere not sphere mask, simple sphere eroding. So I'll make a simple material for that. So this is my material M erode, and to erode there are lots of ways, and I have already lots of tutorials on how to erode things. So you just need a texture or a gradient. So I'll take a noise texture. Let's say I take a blur noise texture. I have some blur noise texture, so these are slightly blurred, and I'll just subtract some value from it, and then I can